Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As you will have seen from today's title, we are doing a little bit of a Temu haul. Just got a few nail art bits here, but I'm really excited to show you all. I'm absolutely obsessed with Temu. I think it's brilliant. I really love their prices. And I've got some really exciting products to show you today. So I'm going to jump straight into the video. I hope you all enjoy it. If you do, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And other than that, let's get into it. So I'm going to start off first by showing you some of the rhinestones I've got. These ones here. Ignore my nails, by the way. I've just got back from a week's holiday up in Yorkshire. Forgot to do my nails. And then ended up buying like a standard normal nail varnish. And it's just chipped and looks awful. I haven't used it in such a long time. I always use gel, so it's a bit weird. But yeah, my nails look a bit scruffy. But as I was saying, we have got some rhinestones here. There's 150 in here. And as you can see, they're kind of like a sort of charcoal sort of grey colour. They're quite nice and sparkly. Got quite a few different shapes in there. Like we've got the bear, we've got stars, we've got teardrops, we've got rhombuses, diamonds, whatever you want to call them, and then we've just got a few little sort of flat back normal ones in different sizes. Really gorgeous colour. I really like the bear ones because I've never seen any like that before. I've also got that one there, got rectangles. It's a cute little diddy pack, but you can actually do quite a few sets of nails with these. And I don't have anything like this in my collection. I'm always keen to get new rhinestones, but it's quite hard to find something I haven't got. Whereas Temu has actually got loads of different rhinestones I haven't got yet. I will be getting at some point. This little pack here is £1.99. I believe they do a few different colours as well in these little packs, but for £1.99 you will definitely get a few sets of nails out of them, like quite a few sets of nails, because you're not realistically going to put all of those on one set of nails. You'll definitely get a few packs. So I'm really happy with those £1.99. I think they are a really good bargain. Next up, I've got these. Alright, so in here it's a little bit hard to see, but we have got a good little mixture. Like we've got big sort of rectangle ones, we've got the teardrops again, we've got diamonds, we've got like normal rhinestones in various different shapes and sizes. They are in gold. I think again they might have done a few different colours. And there's even a little moon in there. Wow. See that little moon? These were literally 99p. So really affordable, and they're really sparkly. But you guys can see how much they're sparkling. Look at them. They're really pretty, aren't they? Look at the sparkle in them. They're gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I really like those. But yeah, it's 99p for this little pot, and as you can see, again, there's quite a few in there. I don't know exactly how many to be precise, but you'll definitely get quite a few sets of nails out of them. And for 99p, for that sparkle, you can't go wrong. And then I'm going to try and take this off without spilling it, because if you watch my videos, you know pretty much every time I open a tub like this, I spill them everywhere, but look, I succeeded today. So here we've got a bunch of AB rhinestones. We've got 12 grids inside of them, so we've got like the sort of circle, normal, flat back rhinestones in various different sizes. And then we've got the love hearts, we've got moons, we've got sort of triangular, sort of curved triangular ones, we've got teardrops, we've got whatever you want to call those ones, and then we've also got some rhombuses, diamonds, whatever you want to call them. But again, they're so sparkly. Let's get a little moon out. But again, you see the sparkle. They're really pretty, and they're so affordable. These are only £1.49. But I've just been really wanting some different shapes of rhinestones, because I keep doing sets of nails and going to reach some rhinestones. I'm not really having what I'm after, so I've been trying to get sort of a good little selection. And for £1.49, I'm really happy with these. As you can see, aren't they beautiful? Yeah, and there's loads in there. There's actually so many in there. But yeah, £1.49 for this, really happy. And next up, I'm going to pour these into this triangle pot so we can see them a bit clearer. Well, I'll pour some in. Look at the shift on them. These are called Mixed Shape Aurora Glass Crystal Nail Art Rhinestones. And you can see why they're called Aurora. Am I saying that right? Aurora? Oh, wow. Come on, camera, focus. Look at the shine. In here you just kind of get a mixture. You get 100 different rhinestones in here. But look how sparkly and pretty they are. We've got a few different shapes. Oh, I see a little love heart. That's really cute. Put that on there. Ignore my hairy hand. I didn't realise how hairy my hand is. I see that tiny little heart there. Isn't that beautiful? Like teardrops. Oopsie. Look at those though. See the shift on them. They are absolutely stunning. And guess how much these are? For 100 of these, 89p. Literally 89p. And I can safely say I do not have anything at all like this in my rhinestone collection. I do have a lot of rhinestones, but nothing like those. Look at the shift on them. They're incredible. For 89p, I'm literally well made up with those. They're so pretty. Yeah, they come in a nice little packet. But you just can't complain about something like that, can you? They are just, oh, look at that shift. I'm so happy with them. Okay, and then the last of the rhinestones, we've got this tub. Guess how much this tub was? £2.99. Literally £2.99. And look at the sections. We've got some proper like Barbie pink. Look at the fluorescent yellows. Purple. Another pink. A peachy orange. That's kind of like a bluey sort of purple. A deeper pink. Lilac. Light blue. We've got white. We've got like sunflower yellow. Lime green. More blue. Red. Baby pink. Small sunflower yellows. A different type of blue again. Some of those fluorescent ones, oopsie, pink, purple, and they're sort of all AB ones, but then look at these ones. These, see, they're like light pink, but they've got silver glitter inside of them. I've not got anything like that. We got some nice crystal clear ones. We got some pearls, which I love, and then lastly some orange. But look how many rhinestones you get for £2.99. Isn't that amazing? I'm really chuffed with those. I just feel like literally for no more than a £5, I think, altogether, I've got all of them rhinestones. So all of these plus the other ones I've shown you. Amazing deal. Really over the moon with those. And then, if you know me, you know that I am obsessed with reflective glitter. These are apparently holographic reflective nail art powder dust. We've got silver. We have got gold. Look how sparkly it is. It's gorgeous. And then look at that one. I think it's black, but it very much has like a red tinge to it with all holographic. Absolutely incredible. I'm going to get my phone torch and let's have a look and see how reflective they are. You see that? See the sparkle we got going on there? That's just me waving my phone torch over them. But aren't they spectacular? See the reflective glitterness? I can't get enough of it, you know. I love the reflective glitter so much. I get through it like there's no tomorrow. And you wait till what I'm showing you next. This is nothing compared to what I'm showing you next, but look at them. Should we turn my lamp off and see whether... Yeah, there we go, look at that. They literally sparkle like diamonds, didn't they? That shift. See how amazing they are. I'm literally obsessed with these. Guess how much these cost? They're literally super affordable. These are only 99p. And like, it's a bit hard to show you, but you do get a pretty decent amount in there really. They do have quite a few different colours. I just went with like simple basic ones because I know these ones are more likely to use. But you guys saw yourselves how reflective they are, how much they sparkle, literally like diamonds. They were 99p each. And I'm so made up of these. I saw someone recently on TikTok using some reflective glitters they got from elsewhere and I really wanted some. But I couldn't find them from the shop that they recommended. So I had a look on Temu and yeah, did not fail. There was one hell of an option with loads of different reflective glitter things. I'm made up with them, but yeah, 99p a pot, so £3 for those, well worth it, worth every penny. Definitely recommend those. Okay, so next, I was saying those are nothing compared to what I'm about to show you now, hopefully. These, they didn't come as a set, I had to buy them all individually, but as you can see they're off the same company. But we have got some 9D reflective magnetic gels. So these are cat eye gels, but they've got reflective glitter in them, and I feel like these are about to become my very favourite all-time gel polishes in the world. I'm literally so freaking excited to test these out. So I'm going to swatch them with you guys today. They're 8ml bottles. They're £1.99 each, but if they're anything like the photos, they're going to be incredible. Okay, so I've got some black swatch sticks. It's a little preview. Let's give these a little swatch. They've got quite a thick consistency, but they're going to. They've got a lot of pigment inside of them, but they're still, look at that, they're still applying absolutely stunning. And I feel like these are just, I'm going to use these all the time. I know I am. I love cat eye gels, I've got loads of them, and I love reflective glitter, and having the 2-in-1 just makes me so happy. One good coat of that, look. So that's the first colour. Find a magnetic stick. I suppose that one would do. So magnets come out of the other one. Well, these both stuck together. But what should I just do? I don't really know the best way about going about this. We'll just create a random pattern, shall we? That's so fun though. Can you see all the pigment moving? They're amazing, aren't they? I don't know. That'll do for the moment though. I'm going to kill that one and swatch the others. And then I've got a really, really cool top coat to show you that I'm so excited to try out. I've never seen it before in my life. But yeah, I'm really excited about these. Right, so this next one. Right, ready. See, this one's kind of pink and green. I like multi-grain reflective cat eye gels. I am obsessed. They're just so pretty. They're applying really nicely as well. They're not very streaky or anything, like a lot of these sort of gels can be. Look how pretty they are. Can you sort of see the green shift? They're really nice, aren't they? I've always really enjoyed playing with these. I never really know what sort of pattern to do with them. Like, I'm normally quite basic and I'll just sort of do like a line across. They're so much fun. They're just, I don't know. It's amazing how you can get this sort of stuff on your nails, really, isn't it? But you see the reflective glitter gel. They're just so pretty. Wow. That's proper purpley, isn't it? Alright, ready? Oh, that's a gorgeous shade of purple. Oh, I really like that. These probably look lovely if you sort of, I reckon if I got purple gel and put this over the top of a solid purple gel colour, that would be one hell of a pretty nail. I just don't think my camera does these justice, really. You can sort of see that purple. They're lush, aren't they? No. Ooh, it's like a bluey purple, that one. They're so fun. I just think they're really, really fun. They're just pleasant to work with. These are sort of gels that when I wear these sort of things on my own nails, I just sit there, I'd be like sat there in front of the TV. And I'm not really watching the TV, so I'm too busy looking at my nails. That's what these sort of gels do to me. I look well vain, just sat there like staring at my own nails for ages, because I love these sort of things so much. And just see how fun they are. Right, the next one, we've got green. They have quite a few different colours of these, by the way. I just grabbed 6. I can't remember, there might have been 10 maybe different colours. There's quite a few different brands that do these on Temu as well. That's gorgeous green. I look forward to doing a proper set of nails with these some point soon. The pigment in them is just really easy as well. Oh, I feel like I could do a better job of that. I've done a bit of a messy job there, haven't I? So don't come with a magnet, you will have to purchase your own magnet. But I have seen those on Temu again. I think you literally get them for about £1. But they're so pretty, aren't they? Be great for doing a set of like Northern Lights nails or something like that. Proper galaxy vibes. Okay, so last but not least, we've got this one. This is really pretty as well. Just like magic in the ball to me. What do you reckon? See how more pigmented they are, like on one coat as well. I just use black swatch sticks because that's what I would typically do, is put black underneath a gel like this. However, like I said, I feel like you probably could use these, like the purple one on top of a purple coat. I feel like it would look lovely. But they're so fun, you can use your imagination and do all sorts of something like this for sure. They're probably like night sky. Yeah, that's the last of those. So there we go, that is the 6 colours that I got. Like I said, these are £1.99 each, so essentially £12 worth. I will show you with the flashlight on So you sort of see a sparkle like that. And if I turn my lamp off, see how sparkly they are? Aren't they magical? I love them so much. So I love that reflective glitter. It's so much like diamonds on your nails. Like, look at the sparkle and the colour, and they're so pretty. I have been ridiculously excited for these to come, so I'm so glad they're here. It didn't take long either. It took about, I suppose, about a week. Yeah, because they arrived Monday. I'm now filming on Wednesday because I've been away. I only got back home yesterday from my travels. And I think I ordered them a day before we went away, which I think was Monday again. So it took literally exactly a week to come, which ain't bad at all. But then, like, the last thing I've got to show you guys, I've never seen one of these before. This is a glow in the dark top coat. So we've got a little 7ml bottle. It looks like that, so it's a little bit sort of milky looking. We'll see how it looks on top of the nails. But it was only £1.49 for this bottle, so I'm really intrigued as to how it'll look. In fact, I'm just going to do the one nail, so I don't really want to waste up swatches. It's quite thick again. And probably isn't the best over sparkly nails, but it's just sort of to show you guys. But let's cure this and see how much it glows. Right, are you guys ready? Oh, yeah, that glows well, doesn't it? That was just like one coat of it, and you still sort of see the cat eye effect underneath that, can't you? It's not something. Oh, it's non-wipe as well, that's good to know. It's not something I'd reach for all the time, but I just think it's quite fun. Like, yeah, obviously you do have to be careful, I think, a little bit if you're using little sparkly nails, so I do think it has toned down the sparkle a little bit there, hasn't it? But like, just for like solid normal colours and that, it didn't really affect it too much. It's slightly cloudy, but ever so tiny amount that it wouldn't affect if you just had, you know, like a standard gel polish like that and just put that over the top. That would be really cool. But it's £1.49 for that bottle as well. It's just fun. I've just never ever seen anything like it before, so I thought I'd better try that out. But yeah, that's the last thing for this haul. Like I said, it's only a small little haul. Mind you, it's probably still been a long video, know me. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I will leave links to all the products. They are affiliate links, just to let you know. But I will leave links to all the products down in the description box. I have also got a code for you that will get you 50% off at the checkout, but that's for new app users only. And if you download the Temu app through my link, you also get a £100 coupon bundle. But all the information will be down in the description box for you if you'd like to check it out. I've purchased quite a few bits from Temu now. I've only done one other video, which I will also put in the description box if you'd like to check that out. I'll pop it up here as well, because that was quite a big Temu haul, and I was really pleased with pretty much everything I got. So I'll pop that up here, and I'll pop it down below as well, because there was loads of stuff, and I've really enjoyed everything I've got off Temu so far. I know a lot of people have been quite sceptical about Temu, however, I've not been disappointed yet. I've been over the moon everything I've got. And I think you guys will be too. So like I said, all the information, discount code, links, etc is down in the description box if you'd like to check it out. But I'd like to thank you all so much for watching the video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I certainly have. I've been so excited for all these glitters and rhinestones, and I think I've got myself a right bargain here, and I'll definitely be getting some more in the future. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more Temu stuff. If you have any video ideas you'd like to see me do, please let me know. Please let me know down in the comments below. But other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.